Hi British Vogue, I'm Charlie XCX and this is what's in my bag.
Let's create it in Filmora. Begin with uploading music and this patron image that I have attached in the video description. Add text to this picture. Give it dark brown color, Helvetica font style, and this fade in animation. Export this file. Upload your video showing what's in your bag. Upload the exported video as PIP. Stretch to the entire screen. Apply one keyframe at the beginning of this PIP video and apply mirror mask over it horizontally. Squeeze it. Now at about 0.0 to second mark another keyframe and start opening this mask wider. At about 0.03 to 0.04 seconds, stop opening mask at this position. Now place another keyframe at the end where your main track video ends. Again, squeeze mask and bring it down all the way like this. At about 0.05 seconds, place text over the screen green like this. Color red. Shadow black. Font style Helvetic. Give it animation of your liking. Now apply some stickers. Give them fade in animation. That's it. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.